All right, we're going to do a little bit of Bandit level 0 to level 7 maybe of Bandit over the wire. And these are war games. They're to familiarize you with CTFs, the capture the flags of cybersecurity, and it is here to help you. It is here to help you learn a little bit about Linux, the console, and just different things that you need to know how to do. And now, Bandit Level 0, the goal of this level is for you to log into the game using SSH. The host to which you need to connect is bandit.labs.overthewire.org on port 2220. And if you see over in the green box to the left of the screen, you have that information over there as well. The username is bandit0. And the password is bandit0. Once logged in to level 1 page, you can find out how to beat level 1. And I've got it set up over here with SSH bandit0 at bandit.labs.overthewire. And let's give it a go. Let's go ahead and hit enter. And so the password is going to be bandit0. Let's hit enter. Awesome. And if you want to read through this, you are more than welcome to. I'll kind of skim up to the top, and then I'll just press clear in the console, and then we'll hit LS. So let's list some files out, and we have one file. It's called readme, and so let's cat out the readme file and see what's in it. Congratulations on the first steps in the Bandit game. Please make sure you've read the rules. If you are following a course, a workshop, walkthrough, or other educational activities, please inform the instructor about the rules as well and encourage them to contribute. So if you want to contribute to Over the Wire, I think you should. It is a pretty neat game on the internet that they're running, and they're doing a lot of good. Let's go ahead and hit exit. We'll clear out again, and then we will move to the next level, level 0, level 1. And the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme located in the home directory. Use the password to log into Bandit 1 using SSH. Wherever you find a password for a level, use SSH to log into that level to continue the game. So what we need to do here is we were Bandit 0, but now we need to be Bandit 1 for the next level. See how that works? Okay, so if that's tripping you up and that's why you found this video, that's the solution you are looking for. And we'll hit Control-Shift-V to input a password. Let's hit enter. All right, we'll clear out again. We'll hit LS to see what's going on. And we have a dash. So for a dash, and it's not a directory, we'll just hit cat, just like that. And there we go. We have our next password, and we'll go ahead and save that. And if you notice, you can't just do cat dash. Nothing's gonna happen. We'll hit Control C there, clear. Actually, we're not gonna clear. We're just gonna hit exit, and then we'll hit clear. All right, let's see what the next level is all about. Password for the next level is stored in a file called dash located in the home directory. I think we just did that one. SSH bandit. Feels like we just did that one. 2, enter, and we'll throw down a password. Hopefully we did that right. Clear, ls, spaces in the file name. So we are on level 2. All right. So we have spaces in the file name. So if we want to read this file, let's try cat spaces in the file name, in this file name, not the. And let's see what we get. Nothing. So this is what you would get if you tried to cat out the file to read the file and you did not put it in quotation marks first. So let's try it now. If it'll let us do anything. Looks like we've lost control of the console. Okay, so we got control back. So let's cat spaces in this file name. And let's ls. I didn't do it right. What did I put? I put space. Okay, let's put cat spaces in this file name. And boom. There we go. Alright, and we'll just hit exit again. Clear. Go to the next level. Let's see what we got. Going kind of fast. These will get progressively harder as you go along. SSH. Level 3. Bandit 3. Let's hit enter. And let's push our password. Clear. Let's hit ls. And looks like we need to change directory to the in here directory. Let's ls again. Let's ls dash list all. And we can see that there is a file hiding from us. And so it was in a hidden file. And so now we just need to hit cat 1 2 3 for our little ellipsis. Hiding dash from dash u. And we will get our password. So let's go ahead and Control Shift C. And we'll just hit exit. We're out of here. Clear. And let's go to the next level. Bandit 4. And we'll hit enter there. We will go look at this. Control Shift V, put our password in, and we'll hit clear. Password for the next level is stored in a human readable file in the in here directory. Tip: if your terminal is messed up, try the reset command. And there's a little hint in here. It is a human readable file. So what does that make you think? A human readable file. Let's see here. So we're going to hit type and then dot and then type F to find all files. So let's do this. Find dot dash type file, and after that we are going to hit dash exec file, I believe, dash exec file, and then parentheses plus. So let's hit our parentheses plus, and do we need, what else do we need? And then I think we can just grep for ASCII. Grep, and then quotations, ASCII text. And what do we have going on here? So the find period dash type F finds all files in the current directory and subdirectories, and then the dash exec file with curly braces plus runs the file command on each of the found files to determine their type. So we're determining the type with dash exec file curly brackets plus, and then through that we are grepping, so we want our output to be ASCII text, and it filters the results to show only files that are human readable, typically indicated as ASCII files. And let's see if we type this in correctly. And I think we went too far somewhere, but we did find the correct file here. We did a little too much. I'm not sure exactly where my mistake is, but we are going to go with it. So we are just going to cat, and then we'll do the dash, Oh, I know what we did. We didn't go into the file system itself, into the directory that we were looking for. But that's fine. We still got the same result. So that's fine. All right, and let's just hit exit. And we'll hit clear. And let's go to the next phase of the party. And what do we have here? Password in the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties. It is owned by user Bandit, owned by group of bandits. Let's go into level 5. So I don't think we're on the level that I'm talking about here. Let's go back one level and see if that's what we are. Okay. Yeah. I'm correct. All right. So let's hit Control Shift V and we'll clear this out. We'll ls. We'll cd into this in here file. And let's list out all of this. And so there's a couple clues in here. One is human readable, and then the byte size, and it is not an executable. So with all of that, we want to write something in the console like this. So find dot and then type F and then dash size 1033C and then we'll hit our exclamation mark and then we'll hit executable and we'll hit exec file. Then we'll add in our curly brackets, our slash, colon, and we will grep, once again, the ASCII text. And so what are we doing here? We are starting with the period. So find search from the current directory. So find from here. And then the type F looks for files, not directories. And then we are looking for the size, which we know is 1033-bit. And then executable with the exclamation means that it is to exclude files that are executable. So exclude files that are executable. Excuse me. And then the dash exec file, curly bracket, slash, and the colon, semicolon, excuse me. For each file found, execute the file command to check the type. So once again, we are checking the type, and the only output that we are interested in is the ASCII text, so a readable format, and that is what we are grepping for. Let's see if this works. Did I write it correctly? And it looks like we do have an answer here. So now we need to cat out dash maybe here 07 dash dot file 2 and let's see if we get an answer. All right, and the console kind of goes crazy, but we do get an answer there. So Control Shift C, we'll capture that. And we will clear out this. We will exit. And let's move on to number 6. So Bandit 6, here we come. And let's put in our password. And we will clear out the terminal again. Owned by user Bandit 7, owned by group Bandit 6, 33 bytes in size. The password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties. So owned by user Bandit 7, owned by group Bandit 6, 33 bytes in size. And if we ls here, we really don't get anything. So let's clear that out. And let's see where we are with this one. So once again, it is going to be find / start searching from the root directory. And then our type is going to be file. Look for files, not directories. So we're looking for files, looking through everything for files. We know that the user is going to be Bandit 7, and the group is going to be Bandit 6. And our size, the size of the file is going to be 33 bytes. And because we don't want to get any error outputs in the console, we are going to add the 2 greater than /dev/null, redirect any error messages like permission denied to dev null so they don't clutter up our output. And let's go. Let's hit enter. And there we go. And so we'll hit cat /var /lib /d package /info /bandit 7 not 2 dot password, and let's get our answer. All right, cool. And so we'll just hit Control-Shift-C to save, to copy inside of the terminal. We'll hit exit. And we can go ahead and go to level 7. And let's clear. Let's change this to Bandit 7 so we are on the right page. And we'll hit Control-Shift-V in the password to give our password. We'll hit clear here, and then we'll hit ls, and we have a data.txt. Password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt next to the word millionth. So we know that we want to grep, and I believe it's just going to be grep millionth, and then we'll put our grep millionth. See if I can spell. And then data.txt out of data.txt, and boom, we got our answer. Control-Shift-C just to save it, then we'll just hit exit here, and then we'll hit clear again, and let's move to the next level. Level 8 for the next level is stored in the file data.txt and is the only line of text that occurs only once. Actually, this may just be a good stopping point, and we will return with level 8 to level 9 next time. Thank you for chilling out. Thank you for hanging out, and I hope this helped you in some way. Appreciate it if you want to give a like and a subscribe. But take care, and I will see you next time.